friends, it's Christy with an early learning tip for you today. What do you think I have in my bucket today? It is something that I like to play with, and I bet you like to play with too. Yep, in my bucket I have sand. Today I have orange sand. But it is fun to play with sand, but it's also fun to play with sand with lots of different sizes of containers and buckets and even funnels. Because when you pour and measure sand into buckets and containers, it helps to establish a basic understanding of measurement. We can compare different sizes of buckets and how much they will each hold. What do you think? I have this red bucket and a scoop of sand. Do you think it will take a whole scoop? Let's find out. Oh, it's almost full. Yep, it's full. And it didn't even take a whole shovel full of sand. What if we tried the bigger one? Let's see, what if we tried one whole scoop of sand into this one? Still not full enough. I think it needs 2 scoops. Will it fit? It will fit. Look, I think we need even more scoops to fill this orange pan. What do you think? Here we go. How many scoops did I need to fill this? That's right, 3. It took me 1, 2, 3. Have fun measuring and playing with sand.